Hi friends, Gina here. I'm here with part 5 of making my page kits with scraps of the embellishments. These are the last 5 layouts that I have to put embellishments with, and then I'm going to start making the actual pages. So here I'm using some pinks and purples. I do not have much purple. Yeah, I don't have many purple embellishments. So I'm going to see what I could gather together. So I'm just looking, and since I don't have a lot of purple, I kind of just put them in that little baggie. And then there's some stuff in that couple sides of the bins, mostly flowers and like gems and stuff like that. So I'm just pulling out a bunch of stuff since I don't have a ton of purple. I don't know, that's my favorite color, but I don't have much to scrap with, but that's okay. I have some. So there I am, just getting the embellishments and then some of the gems that I have that are purple. And then looking at some flowers, I'm going to end up changing these up a bit. I know when I actually do the layout, so just pulling a bunch of stuff. Sorry if you could hear the dryer in the background. And my son is home, supposedly sick, but I think he's feeling better. Could hear him yelling up there. Alright, so this page kit is done. Almost. I'm just looking. I have puffy stickers and stuff like that I might want to add. Looking through my sticker books. And those are just from Dollar Tree. I thought those were cute. Tyler, could you keep it down? I'm recording. Sorry about that. I had to ask him to keep it down. All right. So just looking to try to see what I could add. And looking for a journaling. No, I don't know what I was looking for. But, yeah, that one is done. So with this one, I think I lost some of the footage of putting it all together. And it was just pulling some turquoise pieces from just, my purple. My turquoise blue bin where I keep some of my embellishments. And then I added some purple hearts there. And you had seen the other part already where I added all the scrap paper. So then here's this pretty green and blue layout I'm going to make. Those are all the different patterns I put together. I was trying to look for another sheet of blue, but then I opted for the white as a background. So there I am looking just in that blue, the blues bin. And just got some embellishments. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with these. When I record, I don't know if they just stop or what. I'm not quite sure. I don't know. But with this one, I'm adding some pink embellishments, some blues, some greens. And again, with these layouts I'm putting together, I do not know what photos I'm going to use. So it's kind of just hit or miss. Okay, let me just put what I think looks good together and then I'll match the photos later. Which is not usually how I do it, but I just felt like putting them together and not worrying about pictures. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing. So then I'm looking for some more pinks. I'm just looking for the like bigger pieces to start the embellishment clusters and that kind of thing, and then embellishments for the tops like the flowers and stuff like that. Super cute. I love all the stuff I have mixed together. It kind of drives me nuts sometimes having just everything all to have to flip through, but to put those all in some kind of an order somewhere just seems too much work. Because this works just fine. Those the drawers are big enough so I could flip through without spilling everything out like I was finding with the little iris containers. That's how I was storing them before, but yeah, it was just not enough room. And I prefer this way, right now anyway. I'm just looking for a bunch of little things. And of course, with most of these, I'm going to have too much stuff, but that's okay. I'll just add it back into my stash. So this one is completed. Almost. Oh, I guess I found some stickers I want to use. And then I'm just using in that container is just baby powder and a paintbrush. And I'm using that to take the sticky off of the stickers. And these are the clear ones, so I just end up cutting this out. Not to, because, you know, if you try to take the sticky off, it'll probably ruin them. So I'm just keeping those cut on the backing. I'm just using that baby powder to take off the sticky. It works quicker than the EK Success powder tool. And when I want it just quick, I just glob on some baby powder and then we're good. So I decided to use that clock as well. Then yeah, just looking through, see what else I could add. At Chamel. Love her. So I think that one's done. Just have to add some enamel dots. Or sequins in this case. I have sequins and enamel dots. Those are from Close to My Heart. The sequins on the sticky back, or the sticky back sequins. And then I just added some of those pretty enamel dots. Then I decided I want to add a brighter color to it, so I chose that greeny yellow to add to it. Yeah, and that'll do it for that one as well. I think I'm done with all of my layouts. Oh, I decided on some mist, but I'll just keep that out so it doesn't spill. But yeah, that's it. That'll do it. And I will come back with making the page kit soon. See you soon. Bye.